Welcome back to Language Player's How-To series. In this video, I'll show you how you can customize media playback settings. Let's get started. Next to the playback controls, you have this one icon that looks like a gear, and that is the playback controls icon. If you tap on that, you can see a list of options. Here we have 7 different options for playback control. The first one is called transcript mode. If you turn on transcript mode, you can see the entire transcript of the video to the right of the video. The advantage of that is that you can see the entire transcript as well as translations. But the disadvantage of this is that because a lot of layout computation is required for this to happen, and if your device doesn't have a lot of RAM, doesn't have a lot of memory, or if your device is somewhat slow, it will potentially crash it, and you have to refresh the page. It's not a big deal if you have to refresh the page, but it's just more annoying. It probably will not be a problem if it's just a song like this, but if you have a 1 hour movie or something and you have this transcript going on and on and on, and then imagine the web page has to compute the layout of all these different annotated text with all these menus and options, it will potentially lead to crashes for longer videos. The next option is called collapse video. If you toggle that on, then you can see that the video is minimized to the top, and you can just focus on the text. This is a useful feature when this is, for example, an audiobook or a news story or something. You want to focus on the text and not on the video. You don't want the video to distract you. You don't want the video to take up too much screen real estate. The next option is auto pause. As the name suggests, it pauses after every line. So let's play the video. All right, so it pauses right after the line. So you can stop, look back and see if you have any difficult words, and then continue afterwards, right? So this is called auto pause. Let's turn that off. The next option, which is on by default, is smooth scrolling. Notice that when the video is being played, the transcript slowly scrolls according to the speed of the video. It scrolls in a very smooth way. For example, if I just scroll a little bit down and keep playing the video, so notice that it smoothly and slowly scrolled back to where the video was being sung. However, this option is quite computationally intensive, so if you feel like your phone is heating up and your iPad is heating up, you can try turning off this smooth scrolling. And the next option is on by default, and that is called karaoke highlighting. As you can notice, see that? So the text is highlighted one by one in green, and it jumps up a little bit, right? So this helps you to focus on the text that is being said or being sung right now. So the next option is called show pop quizzes. If you turn this option on, it's on by default. The system will, from time to time, give you a little pop quiz. It will take a few minutes for the pop quiz to show up because obviously we don't want to show pop quizzes constantly to distract you. But from time to time, it will give you a pop quiz based on the words you saved. So if you want to see the pop quiz, you just tap on the word, save on some words, tap on the word. After you save a few words, wait for a few minutes, and the system will bring a pop-up, and you have to answer a question, and that is the pop quiz. And finally, the last option is the playback speed. By default, it is 1x, and you can use the keyboard shortcut M to toggle it, right? If you tap M on the keyboard, it goes to 0.75 times. Tap M again, now it's slowed down 50%, and tap M again, and now you're back to full speed. So that is all the, oh, here's the pop quiz. 想你想疯了, right? So if you don't like this pop quiz, you can go back and turn it off. All right, that's how you can control media playback with media playback settings. I'll see you in the next video.